Hey everyone, I just got off of Jacquelyn Mack's Momentum to Mastery laser focus coaching call that she's hosting, and wow, I have so much to think about. I have so many tools in my tool belt now that I did not have an hour ago. And what she started with was 3 questions that I think if you can answer these questions and feel like, oh crap, I think I'm missing something, get on these calls. She's got a few more coming up. We'll put the link in the post, and she's doing this for free. This is her reciprocity give, and I am saying do not miss these, seriously. And the first question was, what is the #1 challenge you think you have in sales right now? And at first I was like, I don't know, but it's really about, like, do you have a problem closing, or objections, or getting to the root cause, how to structure a sales call, what is your offer? And then I went ding, ding, ding. Oh, I do not think I'm very clear on my offer. And then once I was able to identify that, I'm like, okay, then question 2 is, if this wasn't a problem, like, where would you be, right? So what problems would I solve? Would I have more sales? And I was like, well, yeah, if I had a clear offer, I'd probably have signed some deals by now, right? And so then the third question is, what is this costing you per month to not have these clients in your tool belt? And yeah, that number is eye-opening. And so I just think that Jacquelyn just takes these very complex things that I'm, like, not as familiar with. It's not my zone of genius. She boils it down to this not overwhelming, like, nuggets of gold that I'm like, oh my gosh, I feel empowered, I feel unblocked, I know what I can do, and when I start this literally tomorrow, I could have more clients. And to me, removing those blocks is just saying, I don't have it perfect, but I'm gonna have the next right step, and I'm gonna take this to the next level, and I now have more confidence, and I feel empowered. And even just that first step is getting over a big hump that you might be blocked on. So Jacquelyn, I was telling her, like, I have my course of, like, the day job and the joy job. I'm like, well, I know what my day job and my joy job are. Now I got to go close some deals and get some clients. But the first step is knowing your offering. And Jacquelyn just really helped me unlock and unblock that today. So take a look. I highly recommend it. She's doing these once a month, and I'll put the link in. Please join. Please, please, please join. She also has one-on-one and other offerings that are incredible that you can move forward and have more specific to you focused. But my God, was this a powerful hour. Please, please, please join. You will not regret it. And if you're anywhere trying to find clients, close the deal, feeling blocked with your sales funnel, you literally will build momentum through this mastery hour. So please join. I can't wait to hear and build this momentum together. So thank you guys, Jacquelyn. Thank you for this hour you poured into this group. It was so beautiful, and I look forward to learning more in the future.